Let's take 60 seconds and talk about automobile guarantees. If you drive your car long enough, something will go wrong. Things wear out, break, need to be repaired and replaced, and can run into thousands and thousands of dollars, guaranteed. But you have a plan for that, right? Oh, you don't? Well, most factory warranties are only good for 36 months, and trust me, they know just how long they can protect you. They made the car. And just because the car passed all the safety specifications doesn't mean it will 5 or 10 years from now. And right about then, something will go wrong. It's inevitable. So if you don't have a plan, the Sunset Auto family has a great one for you. Warranty protection for life. It's included with every single qualifying new and pre-owned Sunset vehicle, and honored at NAASE certified repair facility in the United States and Canada for as long as you own it. Go to sunsetautofamily.com and see thousands of protected vehicles. You just get more from Sunset, and people do like that.